I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Select Academy LMS. Choose a form. User completes a lesson. Choose lesson. Next. Now search and select HubSpot. To get HubSpot access token, please go to your HubSpot account. Go to Settings. Click on Integrations. Click Private Apps. Click on Create a private app. Give a name of your app. Go to Scope. Click on CRM. Give all these permissions. Click on Create App. Click on Continue creating. Click on Show Token, then copy. Go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorize. Click on Next. Select an action. Now map the respected fields. Here are some advanced features. If you want, you can use them. Click on Next. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to your other WordPress user. Go to the Academy LMS site. Enroll now. Start course. Now check the box to complete the course. Let's check our HubSpot account. As you can see, a contact has been created to HubSpot. Thanks for watching.